This vibrant green drink is warm, slightly sweet, and creamy. The earthy flavor of matcha can often be overpowering, but not in this case. In our household, even those who don't usually prefer matcha enjoy this treat. First, combine 1/4 cup of boiling water and 1 teaspoon of matcha powder in a mug. Mix that together and set it aside for later. To a saucepan, combine 1 cup of whole milk, I'm using raw milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Transfer the mixture to the stove. Gently warm the milk on medium-low heat. Continually whisk the milk until it is warm and a bit foamy. Remove the milk from the stove and pour the milk mixture into the matcha. I'm topping it with some homemade whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Matcha is packed full of antioxidants, chlorophyll, and many other essential minerals. The milk brings a lovely creamy flavor along with some protein and healthy fats.